Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back again to another video. My name is Javi. If it's your first time here, welcome, and I hope all of you guys are having a very beautiful day today, and may you have been manifesting all of your most deepest heartfelt experiences. May you be always full of love, always just protected, because you are protected. But may you know that you're protected, because when you are connected to everything, everything is you. So nothing can be against you. There's nothing out here that has ill intents to you. When you are everything, you are all of the energy that is outside of you, because outside of you is also inside of you. It's all one. All is one. So in this video, I wanted to actually help us expose and capture the thing that keeps us away from experiencing the infinite bliss, infinite peace, and just always being cool, chill, content, and just clear with what your moment is, clear with your life. And that when challenges come, that you're just looking at them as like they are nothing to you, because in reality they are nothing to you. You are just observing everything. You are pure consciousness that's experiencing the infinite amount of potential of experiences that can happen to you. So you are not your thoughts, you're not your emotions. You are just the present consciousness that is here, that is grounded in this physical body, and it's beyond this physical body. It's not only contained within this body, it is just in the space that is surrounding this body. So let's do this practice. Take a couple deep breaths. Allow yourself to hear what's going on in the moment right now. Allow yourself to see what's in front of you, whether it's me in this camera, your phone, your computer, your walls. Just be present right now. Be here in this moment, and just allow yourself to observe this moment, for you to be here right now, like fully consciously here. Take a couple more deep breaths. One more. Yes. So you notice that your attention is just here, observing what's in your senses. That's it. You're not in the past. You're not in the future. You're not in that gossip. You're not in that problem. You're here, right now. Right now. Your attention is right here, right now. That's it. Pure consciousness. Pure consciousness, being conscious. Pure conscience that is just present, that is just experiencing me talking, that is experiencing whatever you're experiencing through your senses. So stay focused in that consciousness. Stay focused in that observation. That is your balance. That is your home. That is your true self. Now, what happens, this is how we capture the thing that's been causing a lot of trouble for us. Once you're in that space of pure consciousness that you already are right now, we're pure consciousness right now, we are our true self, just being right now, you're gonna feel like a pull or an impulse, or you're gonna have images pop up in your brain, or words. But you are not those things. Notice that you are not those words, those images, or these emotions that come. You are what we're saying, the pure consciousness that's here. So the pure consciousness that's here is going to experience these thoughts. It's going to experience these pictures and these feelings. But notice how you are not those things. Those things come and go. You don't come and go. You're always just pure conscience, just walking infinitely. Right now, it is, centered within your surrounding body, but, it's infinite. But for the sake of just being practical, right now it's centered in your kind of within your body. It's not only within your body, it's around your body. It's everywhere. It's energy. It's pure energy, pure self awareness, pure awareness. So when the thoughts come, like they may have already been coming as I'm speaking, and you can capture them right now. That's the opportunity. Capture them. So like you're not getting manipulated by them. You're not getting persuaded by them. They're not selling you and you're buying into it with your attention. You're not, the mind's going to tell you, hey, tomorrow, hey, yesterday, hey, that problem, hey, that gossip, hey, that this, hey, that. Feel like this, feel like that, feel like this, feel like that. And it's going to try to throw you around, and it's going to take that consciousness that you are and get identified with that limited experience, get identified into those worlds. And that's when we lose our peace, because we're not in our normal calm peace. Now we are in this role, this identification of, I had this thought is me, so now I have to go, chase this thought around and see where I end up. And that's how most people see life. They see life from their personal identified mind, because they're identified that that's who they think they are. They think they're this person. So when they're having these thoughts, they're acting them out because they think that's normal, that they think that everybody's doing that. So I should be doing that too. And, it's my thoughts, my emotions, my pictures, and they are who I am. So therefore, I'm just, going through life, reacting to them, answering to them, playing them out. And I'm telling you now that is not the truth. That is not your true self. That is the thing that actually takes us away from our true self. That is the thing that distracts us from being present. See, now look at this. Observe this. Here you are being present, right? Let's come back to the breaths. Let's come back to just this moment, this presence, that you're observing the light. You're observing it all. Yes? So that was my mom. She was at the door. Love you, Mom. But yes, see, so I'm just observing it. Now I could be like, oh my God, that's a problem. The mind can tell me that was a problem. It interrupted this video. Now I have to stop this. No, that's just the mind. I'm not identifying with the mind. I'm not identifying with that's who I am. I am the true self-awareness that is conscious, that experiences these things, and experience the mind telling me that, and we all doing that. So therefore now I'm staying as my true self, observing and allowing my true self to speak and be. And in that way, we naturally ground ourselves into pure peace, pure abundance, because that's always around. We just aren't able to see it because we are too caught up in all these different channels of thoughts, and channels of, emotions, and, going over here, going over there, distracted over here, distracted over there, and you're not being present here right now. So therefore, all these, problems are amplified. All these obstacles are made more real because now we've fully invested our attention into them, that we aren't seeing the whole scope. So I hope this was very clear to you. And um, you know, it's just such an amazing life when you are able to see it all so openly, and you can get rid of the mind, you can get rid of everything, and then you can truly just ground in your being, truly ground right here, right now, and begin to really, really, really live life, because you are life. But the flow of life has been stopped because the mind's playing out its life. Do you understand that now? The mind is playing out its life while our true heart is being put on hold. Our true self is being put on hold because we are, you know, living out the life of our personality and our ego versus what we truly are. So I hope this was clear. Love you guys. Sending you guys many, many blessings. All is love. Namaste. Amitabha. Peace be with you. Om.